Hey guys, how's it going? Another fine day in Ontario, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Python script that generates YouTube video captions. Cool, let's get started. I know what's going on. Alright, so I'm going to be making this script using the requests library, HTTP for humans. And I'm also going to be using this guy, Mini Maxer's text generating regressive neural network repository in GitHub. I will be linking both of these in the description if you guys want to check them out. So let me start screen recording for you guys. Oh, I have an error. Technical difficulties already. Good vibes. I know what's going on. And cool, we're recording now. So, you guys are seeing, this is a game I'm working on. I'll probably do this, I'll show you guys this in another video later. You don't have to check this out anymore. So, open this up in Atom. Wait a little bit. Cool. So this is where we're going to be. And inside here, I'm going to make a bin and a source folder. Cool. Now to start off, I guess I'll give you a quick rundown. So basically the way this program works is there are two portions. There's the portion that web scrapes YouTube and grabs the captions that we need for the actual AI to learn. And the second portion is utilizing the API that this guy Maxi made. I think his name's Maxi. Sorry if I'm ruining that, butchering it. We're gonna be using his API to basically generate new captions with our parsed captions, if that makes sense. Hopefully it does. So yeah, so you guys are going to need to grab, you'll see it pop up in the source in a second, these two things. Chrome driver and these are the saved weights for the text generating neural network that we're using. This guy's repo. And you'll be able to download those both from the links, I believe. For sure, 100%. I'll make sure the links are there for you guys to download this stuff. So, now, time for us to write some scripts. So like I said, there's two parts to this, so we're going to write two Python files. I like to split things up like that, so here we go. So first portion is generating captions. And this just means we're generating captions for our neural network to learn from, effectively. Generate captions. .5. New frame. Cool. We're going to be using requests. Yes. Cool. Okay. And you'll have to install these things. I already have them installed, so I don't need to install them. But Yeah, you'll have that installed. Cool. Okay. So first things first, I want to make this like adjustable in the terminal. So I'm going to be grabbing a URL from the sys. Sys is the system, it's just the system library. Allows us to do like terminal commands basically. Or allows us to interact with the terminal, sorry. Oh, sorry, it's not a minus, it's an equals. Do this. Cool. That's what our URL is. Our URL is the first argument we give it in the when we run the Python script. So basically, we go like this: Python generate captions stuff high, and then we'll toss in like whatever, like URL here, right? That's how our program's gonna work. Pretty simple. Pretty simple. Okay, so first things first, we gotta write a function to get the captions. Take the URL as an argument, as well as the file name that we want to save this file as, or save this data in. Because we're needing to save this to a text file, and then TextGen is going to be using the text file to generate new captions effectively. So page equals requests dot get row. Now this is just a little try catch in case the file hasn't been created yet. I don't want to remove it because that's going to cause an error. So I'm just putting a little try catch to prevent that from tossing us an error effectively. You don't need semicolons in Python, but I don't know. I do it in JavaScript as well. It's just kind of neat. I don't know. I wrote a lot of C in school, so it's just kind of how I like to do this. Sorry if it's irrelevant. I don't know. Okay. And this is just how you how I concatenate strings in Python. Oh, sorry, it's not. Oh. File doesn't exist. And I just added that little backslash in because I have this. What is that called? Parentheses? Yeah, parentheses. I have this parentheses right here, so I don't want it to mess up the parentheses that are marginalizing our string. So I'm just you gotta toss that in there. Next, with. Why am I typing this all when I have it right here? Foolish. Take it there. Beautiful. Here, create a soup object using beautiful soup. Uses page.content. Page.content is the HTML. And then you're basically telling Beautiful Soup to use the HTML parser, and it grabs the HTML from that to give this program a run and see where we're at right now. I'm gonna create a main. I just do this because, again, C, I'm super used to. And it's how I like to organize stuff. So there you go, grab a URL, data set. Let me open up Chrome. This might blow up my computer because I have a very poor quality laptop. Wow, taking a long time. Wow. So this here, again, is the name of our file that we're going to create, dataset.txt will be the created file. Oh, there she is. Hello, Chrome. Alright, there she goes. Okay. So, we're just going to go on YouTube trending. I'm going to show you how this program works. Now, I'm not sure if this works for all YouTube pages. Yeah, it might work for other pages, but I know it works for trending. So let's go to the trending page. Wait. This is a terrible mistake. I'm so sorry. No. Let me go back. Please just stop. No, this is such a meme. That meme, man. Chrome is such a bully, man. Bullies my OS. Stop this. I'm trying to film a video. Python. Now, depending on your system, how you have Python installed, you might have to write Python. You might have to type in Python 3. But I have Python 3 is my default on my system, so Python, we're good. Now, what is this? Call generate captions. Oh, sorry. I'm not in the right directory. There we go. Now, that URL, and what do we got? Ah, import. Import is not a thing. I'm sure some of you noticed that earlier, and I apologize. Alright. Ah. Oh, okay, that is a 0, not an O. Alright, let me also say that I'm not returning anything, so let me return soup. Ooh, I don't have text gen. Oh yeah, I haven't created, okay, yeah, sorry. This is me actually importing my own file, which I haven't created yet. So, we'll just leave that like that. Okay, so, next. Haha. Haha ha ha. Let's finish this up. Captions. Boom boom. Boom boom bam. Two lines, beautiful. I'm lying. 2 lines 2 lines plus this. Now this beautiful little function will print those titles, parse and print those titles to the text file. The way I do that is I just enumerate through this array of videos that I get from Beautiful Soup. This is beautiful. And then I just grab the titles from the A tags. A tags in the HTML, that's what it's called, the tag. Beautiful. Yeah, pretty easy peasy. Give it a run. Show you guys how it works. Ooh. Ah, right, it doesn't return anything. To view. And there they are. All the captions of all the videos. Very nice. So that's part 1 of this done. Super easy. if you already did it all. Alright, now next portion.